Let's go!
Oh.
Yo!
What's going on, boys? Today's the day we blow up the Honda Civic. You're probably here from the TikTok. If you're not, you should go ahead and follow that. But the Lions commented now. We're blowing up our Honda Civic with Tannerite and gas. It's not much Tannerite, it's only like 5 pounds. We've got a lot of gas to go with it, which should be good enough. So we're gonna get this thing loaded up and then we'll get out there. All right, boys, we're here. We're like out in the middle of nowhere, private property. We'll be like 200 yards away, so it's safe. Don't take this down. We're gonna get it set up and then we'll come back and we'll blow it up.
Oh. Alright, so we're getting the Tannerite mixed up, as you can see. How many pounds do we, oh my goodness. How many pounds do we have?
We've only got like 5 pounds of Tannerite.
Yeah, 5 pounds, but we also have like 5 gallons of gas.
Yeah, we have like 5 or 6 gallons of gas, which is where the boom's gonna come from, so we're good.
Tannerite is just the ignition source.
We're gonna put it right here, under all this gas, and then we'll get out of the way and we'll let it go. All right, there we go right there.
Oh my god.
Yo! Yo!
I did not
Connor.
disappoint.
Yo! A little bit sad.
Not gonna lie. We're getting a little emotional. But
Yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
No. Oh, there we go.
It's bottom. It's not gonna do anything. My goodness. It took 30 fire crews to put on the
Jeez. Yeah, bro, this is
Can I go to the front? I bet I can get some.
this is nuts.
That way, Colin. Do some back here. Yeah. I just want to fire.
Hey, now we know if it ever caught on fire,
This would have done nothing.
it wouldn't have it wouldn't have worked.
That's true.
All right, we've got it loaded up on the trailer and we're looking through the damage. We found melted aluminum in here. We just looked it up. Aluminum melts at like over 1200 degrees. So the fireball from yesterday was well over 1200 degrees because there's a lot of melted aluminum on this thing, but it's completely destroyed.
All right, so one thing that kind of impressed me is that the transmission still shifts through all 5 gears. Maybe not 5th, but it still gets into reverse, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, if you need a transmission, we'll have one for sale.
As long as you're not trying to go highway speeds where you'll need 5th gear,
He's all right.
you'll be fine.
But honestly, it's a Honda Civic, so it's not out of the realm of possibilities that we take this thing home, clean it up, and it just starts right up. So this might not be the end. We'll have to find out. And we're gonna collect some of his ashes, and we're almost to 100K on TikTok, so we will do a giveaway of Rodney's ashes at 100,000 on TikTok. Make sure you follow that.
We'll have them in some little commemorative jars, kind of like Belle Delphine's bath water.
Yeah, but this one's better. All right, that's gonna wrap up the video.
And that's gonna wrap up the life of Rodney as well.
Very much so. So, see you boys in the next one.